How to renew your Costco membership. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can renew Costco membership. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up your Costco application. So once you open it up, make sure that you're signed in. From your home page, navigate to top right, tap on your profile. Now after that, tap on account details from the options available. Now on the account details page, you have to scroll down a bit and there is an option as verify membership. So tap on that button that says verify membership. Then you will land on this kind of interface where you will see a text box. There you have to enter your membership number. Then tap on continue. Then you'll be prompted to enter your last name and the zip code. Provide the details, then tap on continue. Again, you may have to go through certain verification process where you'll be asked with some verification questions. So make sure that you verify your membership with answering or by answering all these questions here, then tap on continue. Once you have completed the verification process, here it says membership verification completion successful. Now you can access your membership account information. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.